Hello, little friends. Today we're going on a sound adventure. Can you hear animal sounds? Meow, woof, cluck. Let's learn phonological awareness, hearing and playing with sounds and words. Phonological awareness means we can hear sounds in words, like hearing E, O, W in meow. Clap if you hear the M sound. Phonological awareness helps us read and speak better. Auditory discrimination, trow, being a sound detective. Can you tell meow from woof? Meow sounds different from woof. Cluck sounds different from crow. Which animal says moo? Cat says meow when happy, purr when sleepy, hiss when angry. Say meow with me, meow. Cow says moo, chick says cheep, chicken says cluck, cock says crow, moo moo, cheep cheep. Dog says bark, woof. Big dogs, woof woof. Small dogs, yap yap. Bark like a dog, woof. Game time. Which animal says meow? Cat, moo, cow, woof. Dog. Great job, sound detectives. Your special work: write 2 animal sounds, meow, moo. Draw 1 animal plus. Write its sound. Example, meow. Thumbs up if you loved animal sounds. See you next time for more sound fun.